What's going on, Dave fam? Welcome back. We finally about to do it. A booster box worth of Surgeon Sparks. Scarlet Violet Surgeon Sparks, that is, going after that Pikachu. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button, leaving notification bell on, because you definitely want to be here for these hits. We have 6 booster bundles to equal up to a booster box of a Surgeon Sparks today. 36 packs. Should be good, but we're going to do this pack a little bit different. We're going to go with the Executor versus Latios and Latios versus the Pikachu pile. 12 packs each, 36 packs. We get straight into it. Ain't no time wasting. We'll go ahead and knock pile for pile out each. See which one comes up with the better hits. Hopefully pull some SR. Hopefully pull some really good illustration rares and get some really nice cards. Please excuse the glare. I'm using a different lighting in here right now, but we'll get into that as we go. Might change it up a little bit. The glare is pretty bad here, but we're going for that Pikachu. Okay, starting off with a nice Colossus illustration rare. We'll see which one has the best hits today. Very nice, starting off with a illustration rare into the second pack from the SQR pile. Okay, code card. I'm gonna do a little quicker video. It's a lot of packs today, so we'll go straight through them as such. Glare. Now let me try to fix a little bit. Okay. Verse. Okay. That Pikachu is still above $400. Like I said before, if you watch the previous videos, you have some new tools, some SIRs. Preferably the 2 Latios I pulled from different videos have been really good also. Thought this would be a good idea to give you a big sample size that is reasonable. Packs have been hard to find. Booster bundles, booster boxes, sleeves, 3-plate blisters, check line blisters. Everything has been kind of difficult to put the hands on. Oh, got a Latios EX. Definitely will take that. Have plenty of sleeves ready. So we'll see how we go about this. Starting off pretty nice so far. Alright, there you go. Make sure you're getting those code cards. Had a long day today. Had a little bit of card issues, but that's fine. We'll get that resolved. Definitely not gonna stop us from doing these pulls though. Not gonna stop me today. Alright. Have a lot of cards to the pile. I'll put them to the side a little bit. Really feel like the Pikachu pile will have a lot of hits in it too. Alright, and there you go. To the front here. That card had a little bended. I wonder how that happened. Doing it with booster bundles right now. If we don't get it, we'll definitely go some more booster bundles or single sleeves in the near future. A lot of people have been with this channel for a minute. I appreciate you. We'll be getting back to some of my favorite era. Sword and Shield. Definitely need to open up some Silver Tempest, some Lost Origin, and some Crown Zena coming up soon. So make sure you're around for that. Also getting back into some Scarlet Violet. Still got some Twilight Masquerade, still a Crown, Paul Dan, Fates to open. That Bubble Mew is rising and not stopping. Still haven't got that one yet, so we'll definitely be going for that very soon as we get a Latios full art. Beautiful card. definitely will take the Latias full art. Alright. Doing pretty good, if I would say, through the Surgeon Sparks. 6 booster bundles, just stacked 2 booster bundles on top of each other. So the first 6 packs that you will see will be from 1 booster bundle each. If y'all are keeping track with how many packs, and want to see how many hits coming from each booster bundle, I did make sure I kept them in order, because I'll go back and I'll check it out also. Oh, first gold card from this set, Night Stretcher. Definitely needed that one. The gold cards are really hard to hit in this set, so I definitely will take that. Awesome. All right, like that a lot. Make sure you hit that like button if you are liking this set, if you are liking these openings. Make sure you leave a comment down below of some things that you may want to see. Really opening the top sets with some really nice chase cards to add to the collection. So that's what we'll keep doing here on this channel here. And I appreciate y'all being here with me. If you're new, welcome. This channel definitely will not disappoint, as we're here to grow and show. Here at Pokédex TCG, welcome to the channel. That pack opened up kind of weird. Hopefully it isn't too tough on me with the pool. Show us some for that little bit of struggle. Alright. Energy. Haven't seen one of the fire energies yet. That is my favorite energy, if you did not know. We'll probably do a master set with this set here. I'll see. Not for sure yet. If I knock out most of the top ones, I probably would. Phoebus. Fish. Kind of game to the first reverse. That's where you want to see it in that second. That first reverse spot is where you want to see the SIR. Still got plenty of packs to go. Got plenty of packs if it doesn't happen here. So don't get discouraged. If you know you've been around, it could be that last pack luck. Hope we see more though before then. But you never know with any of these sets when it will come. Sooner or later, just know they will come eventually. Alright. Outside there. Last pack from the first 2 booster bundles. First 12 packs. Looks like, if I'm looking, okay, looks like that first booster bundle had the more hits. Okay, another illustration misprint going into just a hollow. First 12 did not disappoint. We'll go after the video. All right, that was the Executor. How we get into the Latias and Latios pile here. See what this pack has to offer. There we are. Basic energy. Right. Let's see. Counter game. Bravery. This. Oh. Polysand EX. Terra full art. Definitely will take that also. Very nice. Put that to the top there. Here's the XQR pack art again. Rainbow stuff is hiding in the back. Here you go. I think I'm moving at a pretty steady pace here. Hopefully I'm not moving too fast. Definitely enjoying this here. Just know, didn't want to go too long on it. Have some plans coming up. Even if we get the Pikachu. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Executor full art gold. Very, very nice. Out of the Executor pack, actually. That is definitely a good hit there. Very, very nice. All right. Here we go. There you go. All right. Let's see. Water, energy. Oh, it fell. That's all right. We'll get it straight. You are here. Rotom. Okay. Disney Stadium. Slot King. Taylor's into just a hollow. You know, if I have people comment down below the excitement that I have with certain cards. When you do this for a living as much as I do, making videos every day, all day, putting out content, trust and believe, I'm very happy. But when I have a card set in mind, it kind of overtakes, not the enjoyment, but the seeking of saving that big explosion of an instant punch to the face of excitement. That is why you're like, oh, you pull this, you pull that. Great. But I'm looking for that Pikachu right now. That is my chase. That is the one I am going for. Definitely love all the top hits right here. Definitely love seeing new cards. When you just have it set in your mind, you're looking and you're opening, as you know, so many packs. And that chase and just chasing and chasing is the excitement that I get out of it. So trust and believe, I am ecstatic inside. There's going through every time I crack one of these packs open, you could just feel it warming up. Oh, so close. Don't think about the money spent, because this time spent is way more valuable than anything in this hobby. On this channel, we have fun. On this channel, we pull great cards. A channel we just enjoy the realistic moments of pulling. Even to the fact, if you stay soon and you're here, you will be seeing more Evolving Skies. Packs have dipped down just a little bit, but we have our first fire energy. If you know what it is, you know what I mean. It has to be some fire. I just packed my favorite energy. So let's see that Pikachu SIR right here coming with the fire energy. See if we can make that happen here. All right. Didn't happen on that one, but we did get a Pikachu EX. Ask for Pikachu. Gotta be specific, but definitely will take the half art. EX. Add it to the pile. Very nice. Spread that out. There we go. Throw some fire in there. Pikachu is a fire card. I think that one even right now is going for like $8, $9 if you want to know the price of it. Definitely going up. Would definitely love to pull the gold Pikachu also. That one is around 100, 150, I believe. So the golds are actually harder to pull than the SIRs, and we've pulled 2 already in this video. Look at that. Pikachu's back to back. There's it warming up. The gold for this is going for this one actually going from about 32 to 36 last time I seen. But definitely warming up to the Pikachu. 2 Pikachus. You got a few more packs. See if we can get the gold one and that beautiful SIR. It's not gonna be in the last slot though, so that's the only thing. You had to get it before. In that reverse slot, if you didn't know, that's how Scarlet Vine packs work. It's gonna be in the reverse slot. Give me a chance for a double banger. That is how that works. Trust me. It'll be right there after that one. If you had it. Oh, Milotic EX. Beautiful card. I love the artwork on this one also. How it is. Coming out of frame of it. Beautiful. There. Second box is on fire right now. These boosted ones to make this boosted box to get. Second row is killing it. Latios and Latios row is killing it. Let me know what you think down below. Alright. G. Magnemite. I hope that light isn't getting wrong. Amazon reverse. Alright, that's maybe in the back. Just a hollow. Alright. There. Alright. Let's make it happen. Here you go. Write it in. Energy. Swallow. Rotom. Very well. He has. I know. Getting ahead on something. 9 to just a hollow. This pile over here is getting stacked up. 2 more from this one. All right, Latios. I might open, depending on what I want to see our luck on some single sleeve and check lane blisters next. But the next videos I will be doing will be something from Sword and Shield. Take a little step back to the past for some beautiful cards. Alright. Last pack, look from the second row. Latios and Latios row. Put up some really nice cards there. Not knowing the money wise, it looks to me about even. Did get a gold card, did get 2 illustration rares from the first one, but I did pull those Pikachu, so we'll see what this last pack can do. Right now, it kind of looks a little even to me. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe I'm overlooking something. I have to go back and see for myself after this video. Here, put this one out. See exactly where everything stands. Alright, so that's how the second row goes. On to the last and final row, the Pikachu row. This is the row I chose to win. It definitely has some work to do if that is going to be the case. So we'll definitely try to make it happen here. Pikachu pack right there. All right. Fighting energy. Perfect. He's gonna have his fighting chance. Okay. Magnet zone. We'll go. Next. Alright. Into a black form EX. Hey, the supporting packs of each pack are has opened up with a hit. That is amazing. Okay. Definitely will take that. There you go. Alright. Lead type energy. Alright. Store. Ruggeroo. Vulpix. Magneton. Forest. Flute. Alright. A's into AX Shakur EX Terra EX. Definitely will take that. Also, so we are definitely getting hits. That is a good sign to things to come. Definitely a good sign. All right. Pull rate is pretty good in this set. Some people say it's rough. I guess if you don't open a magnitude of packs like I've opened, if you're just going out and getting one pack, I guess you actually are if you're doing single blisters or so. I can see that could be, oh, EX Terra. I would say with my hit rate, if you want to know, if you're here and you're watching, you want to know, the booster bundles, the 6-pack booster bundles is where they are. Have open ETBs, as you know. 9 packs, you probably get 2, 3 hits. You're looking at 1 out of every 3. When you get the single ones, you're basically free of hand guessing. You know, your luck is, and if you get the 6-pack, like I said, you're looking at 1 out of 3, and how those come off the sim. I know earlier, as you can see now, these that you have a chance of some fire. You have a chance of actually hitting something or getting something, because just how they packaged when they come off. The other thing that these are machined into packs, and the machine drops probably, you know, how it's cut has all of those SIRs on a sheet, has all the, you know, and sheet, and it's cutting is going through, you gotta think, millions of packs. Fire energy, okay. That it just happened that way to put them in the boxes, you know. Super print. Then you gotta find the right box and, you know, do that kind of thing. But yeah. Let's just say how. All right. Just my theory. What I think. How it goes. Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. Just the signs I do. Either we go. I'm gonna keep pulling. Hopefully you do also. Oh, got a little glass. Looks like it might be something back here on a finger slip. Let's see a SIR. That would be pretty cool to see. Okay. Got a A-spec, love the A-specs going into I seen that holla in the back right there. And let me get this A-spec. First A-spec of the video. Enriching energy. Very nice. Put that to the top. Definitely a hit. That is an Latios pack. I can't believe I hit 2 SR Latios and some more other cards. But if you haven't seen it, make sure you go back and check those videos. Leave a like, leave a comment down below if you've seen it or if you're going to go see it. Make sure you go check that out. You won't believe what else I did. One video I can tell you got 3 SIRs from multiple sets. Yes. Alright. Looks like we got some pretty nice stuff up there. They're happy to see it. Alright, get that focus. There we go. Swan blue. Yes. Rotom. Ninetales. Indeedy. Oh, full art. March Rolodon EX. Alright, there goes our full art hit. Nice. Alright. Let's keep it rolling here. Keep it rolling. Second. Oh, module. Rhydon. I know. You see that second slide, it's just like, that's where it would be. Heart rate be racing, pounding. Looks like we got 3 more shots at it. But overall, the video has been a great video. Got some great hits so far. Definitely more to come. Alright. You get to that, like, you kind of want to go a little slow, get a little peep. There is something in there. Alright. Engage. It'll be right after that one. Still gets some in the back. See? EX. That's our second one of this video. Nice. Okay. Second to last pack. Get it back. And look at that. The Pikachu pack art is the last one we will be opening. See if we get that Latios Tuss female here, and then SR, and then the SR Pikachu. That would be a crazy, extremely crazy, extremely lucky ending of this pack opening here. We'll be shooting some more videos today to have them ready. Okay. Let's see it there. Let's see what's in the back. Just a hollow. If you made it this far and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. We are here, last pack luck. Hopefully you left a comment down below. Hopefully your notification bell is on. Hopefully you like what you have seen so far. As we get into this last pack, Pikachu pack art. Let's get the last pack magic for that SIR Pikachu. Let's get it looking back at us. Alright, code card going up. There we go. 1 to the front. I'm gonna guess fire energy. It is a water energy. That's alright. Very cute. Yes. Diglett. Legendary. Deity. Oh, to a Militech EX. Nice. We'll take it. Was a hit on the last pack. Not the one we wanted, but one that we can definitely use here. Let's do a little recap of what we got. You can let me know. From the first 12, did get a illustration rare, a gold stretcher, full art, Lattice EX regular, and a illustration rare. There's 2 of those there. And then that was from Execute row. This one is from the Latias and Latios row. We did get another gold. Execute full art, the EX, the beautiful Pikachu full art, Pikachu half Terra card, and the full art Terra Polysand. Alright. From the second row. Now the last one. Definitely under LOL. But we did get a Hauntic, Giant EX, full art. Manning, 2 EXs, Execute EX, and a Black Quorum EX. So out of 36 packs, let's see how many hits we got here. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 36 packs, 17 hits. Not too shabby there. But if you like this and enjoy it just as much as I like opening, please consider subscribe, leave a comment down below, smash that like button, help this video get out to more people that are interested in this kind of stuff here, in this hobby of opening packs and seeing them open. And make sure you leave a comment down below with your notification bell on. And until always, peace. Daily fam.